haven't seen these in quite a while. Well, here I am again. I had to park like way back there, so I think I remember where my place is at. Hopefully I don't get lost. Those trees right there, I imagine they use them for like December, which they do. I still need to come out here in December. Let's see what I'm doing around that time, and I might come out here. So overall, it's a bit different now. They have this, what do you call it, for kids over here. This little playground. They also have a store there, a Halloween costume store, which they did not have it in the previous years. What is this? This is new. I might have to check that out right now. Let me get this. Is it small houses? Small house?
Yeah, this is where I ended up going.
I'm gonna check them out. All right, I'll go inside. Let's see, tiny houses. Here we go. Everything's tiny in here. Oh, it's super tiny. They're like tiny houses. There's like a little hall here. So tiny. Tiny post office. Yeah, these houses are tiny. So small too. It's like a little lake area. Let's check it out real quick. And I'll get to the good stuff right now. Well, the only good stuff that there is out here. Dude, I'm gonna have to go to that corn maze right now. You guys can't see it, but I can, and it's dark. I'm gonna have to go through there right now. Perfect time. Look at this lake. You guys can probably see it because of the reflection. Or this little, not lake, but like little water area. It's time to go to the corn maze, but for this one, I'm gonna have to use the phone because I have a light there. And I don't have a light on my GoPro, so I'm gonna have to use the phone for this one to see everything that's going on. So this is it. What way to go? This way. It's gonna take a while. We'll see if I can find my way out of here. I think so. It is now. It is, yep. I should find my way soon. Finally, there's the exit. About time. I should go off on the left, and it's time to go to the one that's popular out here, or on this event. I'm walking to it. Design's pretty good so far. The entrance. Now let's see the inside.
Okay, we need to meet my homies. Yo, we all in the bro. I can't wait for the butcher again, bro. You need to give me my Big Mac every time, bro. Every time I ask them for a Big big bag, a big double. You don't give me it. Or sorry, I didn't want me to. Sorry, I meant to scream. Where's my homie at? I know.
Right there.
Oh man, it's getting darker.
Bro, where did he go? Where's my homie at? Putting on Disney. Bro, brought his baby here.
Bro, that's fucked up.
What up, homie? Oh, yo, nice to see you again. What's that? It's just on him. That's Sally right there. That's Sally the clown. I'm okay.
That's your boyfriend? Actually?
Wow, he's nice, bro. He's a nice dude. Never given this a letter, right? Her boyfriend's a nice dude, bro. Like, bro, he was looking at Aubrey like, Bro, this would have been the perfect part to push on our scam them, but they didn't. Like, bro, you could put somebody right there. It would have been obvious, but it wouldn't have been perfect. Follow here. I'll follow my homie Butcher. Alright, bad. Sorry, watch out. I'm in front. He's like narrating. Okay, I need to find my homie Butcher again. Bro, always said that thing, bro. But not that thing, bro.
I ain't sure.
No, stop saying it, bro. That's it, bro. I haven't seen my homie in a while.
Yeah, you know, this reminds me of Freddy. Not Freddy, this is not Finance Freddy. My mom got a fucking block on them.
I mean, fucking. Why is hair up here?
They got the hair on this.
They got the hair go. Bro, what happened to him? Bro, I'll put the lock on. Fuck that shit. Oh, yo, can I get a McDouble? Oh, you didn't give me my McDouble last time, bro. That's up. I wanted my Happy Meal. I want a McDouble, Happy Meal, and large fries, bro. My
I
God.
think we didn't make it out.
What up, my homie, the dog? I think about it. Why did they put somebody in there, bro? Hey, Michael. Michael Myers, bro. What up, homie? Yo, what? We missed this thing, man. I know you're good, bro. Good job, bro. Miss your boogie. Oh, my new whip, be like? Oh.
Why does it work with that big
Yo, what up,
big
Keisha?
shaker?
What up, Keisha? What? Hey, what up, girl? What up, bro? I didn't homie.
It's all good.
Like that, I would have punched him.
I'm out of shit.
Hey, hello? No, yeah, there's like 20 million people.
No, we're at the end already. We're at the end
We're at
already.
the end, but yeah, we're about to be out. Hey, we're on the limit the extra time. The second exit. What are you doing? Oh, I think hi, girl.
Oh my God, give me a kid.
Blood Mary, bro, that's a nice line there.
I wonder how these people don't get haunted. Is that one more car?
Oh, is that what you're looking at? I don't know.
That was it for the castle right there. So right here, I'm sure this is like the plane, or I mean the tire. Oh, you guys see what it is? These things where they roll around. Look, there's somebody filming out there. He has the whole camera set up and everything. I think that they're doing like a video or something. For sure, 100%. Look at them. The castle isn't too bad. It's always like their strong point. of everything. Of everything here, it's one of their strongest points, as always, like every year. Except it's a little different this time because there are more vendors and there are, what do you call it? There is a Halloween store now in here for costumes, I think, last minute. These shops right here. These things are pretty cool. Look at that little goat. Look at this guy. Probably thinks this is food. Not food. He probably thinks it's food or something. It's, you know, the Halloween going out to places, I guess, because this is probably going to be the last event that I go to. Other than that, that was pretty much it. The only thing that's left for me to do is to find the car, and then I'm out of here.